Shalom, it's time, baby. It's time. It's like almost 4:30. About to go ahead to the airport. Airport like 15 minutes away, so it's all good. Flight leave at 7, but I feel like I gotta drop off the rental. I wanna make sure everything go the way it's supposed to go. So I'm leaving right now. Oh, last time. I usually get up around this time anyways. I just don't get out of bed sometimes. Back in the days, I used to go to the gym at this time. I need to start going back to the gym at this time. But that's what it is. Dallas was okay. All I did was work. I ain't really get to sit in town, but we gonna talk. Yes, people, what it is, your boy Lando, and I am the Mando. So, trip is done. Clearly, I'm at the Kribioski. Man, shout out to Dallas. Dallas, big up yourself. You know what it is. If you don't know, you still know what it is. Dallas was different. Now, at first in Dallas, I was like, man, it's boring here. Nothing in here to do. It just seemed like it's big for no reason. It's a lot of big buildings. It looked like a big city, but as far as stuff I like to do, I didn't see anything there. Now, last night I definitely got a different view. I think it's the Elm Street or something like that. That area. I know that usually not a good area. But I looked it up on TikTok. They were like, yeah, don't go there. So I went there. And it actually wasn't a bad area. It was just an area for entertainment. Like, there was a lot of young people there. There's a couple different, like, little brunch spots. It looked like bars. It was a lot of young people there. I see a couple gothic people. They had like a gothic club. But overall, man, Dallas was work. I didn't really get to explore the city. It was work. Right? I got off work, showered up, eat some food. That's really what it was for me. Now let's talk about today. Today wasn't so bad. Let me see. I thought I was gonna miss my flight. I thought I was gonna miss my connecting flight in Atlanta. Cause we was on a flight deck at like, what time was it? It was like 10 o'clock. And it was like, we waiting for the other plane to come out so we can pull in. I'm like, okay, my plane started boarding at, I think it said 10:10. Something like that. It could have been 10 o'clock. Might have been 9:10. Whatever, you get the point. And if y'all know anything about Atlanta Airport, it's huge. So I'm like, oh man, I pray to God that this terminal is the same as one I'm flying in. I'm like, man, I'm gonna have to run to the way on the other side of the airport. And got out. I mean, I don't even know. E, I think. I don't know. But I had to go all the way to A. I think I was in E. I said, oh my gosh. I'm low-key panicking, y'all. Low-key panicking, but I made it. I ran to the train, got on the train, got off the train, like, nah, this ain't it. And I walked no. Before I could get on the train, I looked at the train said, this is where you are. Instead of me getting on the train, because the train gonna go the direction I'm supposed to go, I started walking. And I'm walking, I'm like, what are you doing? I got on at like B, not at B, whatever it was. I said, the train would take you there, so I got there. I mean, it was a good flight. Overall, it was a good trip, man. It was a work trip, you know. That's what it was. It was what it was. It wasn't a horrible trip. I wish I would have got to explore Dallas a little bit more. Maybe next trip. I've been to Dallas before, and even then, I didn't get to explore. It was a family trip. I think it was Thanksgiving, so we was all together. I didn't really get to explore it, but man, next time I come to Dallas, man, I need y'all to let me know where I need to go. You know? But appreciate y'all for watching, man. Look, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and do the whole 9. You know? It's your boy Lando, and I am Lando. I'm about to go take a nap.